Mahindra's latest SUV XUV700 achieved 5 stars for adult occupant and 4 stars for child occupants in Global NCAP's latest Safer Cars for India crash tests. The recently launched Mahindra XUV700 was tested in the most basic safety specification, fitted with 2 airbags, ABS brakes and ISOFIX anchorages. The XUV700 could be improved by making standard its optional equipment such as side body airbags, side head curtain airbags, electronic stability control ESC, and 3-point belts in all seating positions. The car tested at 64 km/h and the total score for the adult occupant protection is 16.03 of maximum 17, meanwhile the total score for the child occupants is 41.66 of maximum 49. Adult occupant protection offered to the driver and passenger's head, neck and chest was good. Driver and passenger's knees showed good protection. Driver tibias showed adequate protection and passenger tibias showed adequate and good protection. The bodyshell and footwell area was rated as stable and they were capable of withstanding further loadings. The car offers standard SBR for driver and passenger. The UN95 test showed that the car could pass the requirements. All of the above explained the 5 stars for adult occupant protection. The child seat for the 3-year-old and 1.5-year-old were installed RWF with ISOFIX and support leg. Both were able to prevent head exposure during the impact. CRS marking was okay. The recommended CRSs did not show incompatibility. The vehicle offers lap belt in the rear center position. All of the above explained the 4-star for child occupant protection. The XUV700 is the second car scored 5 stars after XUV300 from Mahindra.
Thanks for watching. Check out our other videos and subscribe the channel.